My dear brothers and sisters, today we're going to be making a very special cheesecake. We call it a Blueberry Mango Cheesecake, if you can relate or handle that. And we're going to begin by making a crust. And we'll make the crust using our alive organic almond butter. This is the pillar of our business here in Berkeley, alive organic almond butter. So let's let's put a couple heaping tablespoons of alive organic almond butter in the food processor, and then we're going to add some of our alive organic walnut butter. Okay. And we have these magnificent date pieces. These are medjool date pieces. They're coated with a little bit of coconut flour, organic, but of course. So we'll add medjool date pieces. And how about some coconut flakes? And maybe perhaps a pinch of our Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt. Let's give this a whirl. Okay. And now, here we go. Here we have a pie dish. So we're going to take the crust out. And let's pat it down. And now let's put this in the freezer as we go forward to make the filling. Okay. And now we'll start with almond milk. It's always a delight to prepare this for you. Here we're using a cup of water, a heaping tablespoon of our alive organic almond butter, and then to thicken things, we'll be using our chia seeds. Chia seeds, as soon as they come in contact with water, form a kind of gel, a magnificent thickener. So there you have it. It's too easy, it's too simple to make your own almond milk. The almond milk, after all, the almond milk that you find on the store shelf may have been sitting there since the dawn of the Cenozoic. So here we go. Let's go forward with the filling, and we'll start with the blueberries. So here we go with our blueberries. let's give that a whirl. And now we're going to add our pureed mango slices. And now some of our medjool dates, pitted and ready to go for culinary purposes. And now let's add a bit of our almond milk with chia seeds. And of course, a hint of royal Himalayan pink crystal salt. And how about some frozen bananas? Okay, so let's take our pie crust out of the freezer. Okay, and let's decorate it with some coconut slices. And how about what about some almond slices? And finally, some mango slices. So here we have it, our mango blueberry cheesecake. We're going to put it in the freezer for at least 3 or 4 hours, and then we'll serve it to friends and family. My pleasure, brothers and sisters, to share with you. Let us go forward, especially in times such as these. We have got to innovate. We've got to get our food act together. It's so necessary. It's so fundamental. And of course, please, now is the time to plant your victory garden. We can build here. We can build here a magnificent edible schoolyard for the American spirit. Thank you. my pleasure to share. Please subscribe down below. You may even want to hit the like button. Your comments and suggestions are treasured by us. Thank you for permitting me to share with you.